Wow, look at this twinkling holiday display in Bloor West Village. Let's take a peek inside. I see Mickey and Minnie at the treats table. It looks like Minnie already has a head start on her holiday baking. Just look at those yummy Christmas cookies. Have you ever seen so many sparkles? And what's that? Look, just below the flying reindeer. It's Tinkerbell, and she's sharing her pixie dust with the Magic Castle. Our happy snowman family is getting in the holiday spirit too. They've already put up their magic color-changing Christmas tree, creating the perfect backdrop if you'd like to stop by and take a selfie. No matter where you are this holiday season, always remember, there's no place like home.